Right, got a triplex HX1. This is the cat and dog version, black. This one does have the light along the front. Not all of them do. The red ones don't, the white ones don't, from my knowledge. The Power doesn't. But the cat and dog and the Pro usually do. But I'm going to take it apart. This one's got a broken neck, so I'm just going to take it apart and yeah, see what's involved. First thing, we'll remove the brush well. Very simple. Nice clean. Straight underneath. I get asked about tools a lot. I believe this one only needs this, which is a T20 Torx with the hole in the end. Yeah, it goes in proper. I use the drills quicker and easier, but you can use a hand tool. I don't think there's much involved with these, but we'll take it apart. These little front wheels, they just pop out. They should do. Just put a screwdriver underneath and they just pop out. One there, one there. Most common issues with these is hair gets wrapped around the belt assembly, and then your brush roll is stiff and the motor automatically cuts out. So that's one thing to check. The cover. That's what I mean, 8 screws, and it's easy access. As I said, this has got the light strip. Not all of them do, and gets attached to the PCB. But these are pretty. They're not too complicated. And you see block, connector block, so that separates the neck joint, your board, that's your motor, then your belt assembly. Oh, looks like I need a different size screwdriver for that. It's been a while, so everything will come back to me slowly on what I'm doing. This is only held in by that's just a light strip, reflects it. said, that's just a motor one. I don't think there's any screws holding this in. I think it's just gotta go very careful with the board. Oh, camera's on the move. Get that out of the way. As you can see, that's broken on mine. But the hose is going to be alright. That was held in just by these black containers. I got little holders down there. There we go. See that hole there? Clear plastic is just. I'm not going to use a tool because I don't want to. I'm just trying to prise it away with my fingers. There's your light strip, and there's the board, which obviously has the lights on it. Yeah. Right. Just clipped in. Bit of gentle persuasion pulls it out. Then we get. We'll demonstrate that. If this breaks on yours, it is just literally a thing that pops out. You can see it's just got two little clips. And the wheels will just, with persuasion, just pop out. Demonstrate, but this is the, yeah, if it stops, hair gets bunged right the way around it. And you can, little tab there, that should be, yeah. Tab that, pulls the axis, and you can access to the belt. So this all gets clogged up sometimes, and that's why your motor stops, automatically cuts out. So check before worrying about the motor or anything that it's not clogged with hair or debris. But apart from that, go and find a screwdriver, but this is a T10 normal Torx bit. There's no hole in the end because it doesn't need it. I would suggest at any stage through this, if you're not sure, because of putting it back together, take photos as you go along, making sure you know exactly where everything goes at each stage. That way putting it back together will be easier. There you go, that just pops over. There's your rubber buffer and a little belt. There we have it. I think that's it taken apart. Thank you for watching.